Put the finishing touch on your Jeep Wrangler JL with enough clearance to easily run 35-inch by 12.5-inch tires with Rough Country's 3.5-inch suspension lift. This easy-to-install kit offers a total transformation in the look of your Jeep while maintaining a smooth, factory-like ride. Instantly gain an aggressive look and commanding stance that will truly set your JL apart from the pack. Rough Country's 3.5-inch suspension lift is designed to enhance the factory components, allowing you to retain your factory JL coils to preserve the factory ride just as Jeep engineered it. A set of control arm brackets allow you to retain the factory arms at the proper geometric angle for great handling and a smooth highway ride. Better still, this kit features sway bar links, bump stops, and a front adjustable forged track bar, which helps keep your axles tame even under demanding off-road action and is easy to adjust on the vehicle. This kit also features a set of premium Rough Country shocks for an impressive on- and off-road ride quality. Jeep JL models lifted 3.5 inches or taller are prone to drive shaft damage at full suspension droop. The factory shaft does not have adequate clearance once lifted and will cause damage to the Resepa joint if the drive shaft spins while the suspension is fully flexed or articulated. Rough Country Stage 1 kit is designed to increase the total range of down travel while preventing your suspension from reaching an unfavorable drive shaft angle. If you're looking for full-on, unimpeded flex and articulation, be sure to check out our 3.5-inch kit with included Rough Country drive shaft. Rough Country's Jeep JL 3.5-inch kit features an easy installation process with only light drilling required for an easy, no-fuss assembly and includes a lifetime replacement warranty for the ultimate peace of mind.